Hello there. Let's continue from where we stopped the last class on human body parts in Yoruba language. Neck, ọrùn. Voice box, gògóńgò. Shoulder, èjìká. Hand, ọwọ́ or apá. Armpit, abíyá. Elbow, ìgúnpá or ìgúnwọ́. Wrist, ọrùn ọwọ́. Fingers, ìka ọwọ́. Nails, èékánná. The Yorubas have a name for the 5 fingers. The thumb is àtàǹpàkò. Ó dùn lábẹ́ because it's easy to scoop soup and lick with it. Mo ga jù ọ́ lọ, the tallest finger. Òrùkáyẹmí, the ring finger. Kurumbete, the smallest finger. Back, ẹ̀yìn. Spinal cord, ọ̀pá ẹ̀yìn. Chest, àyà. Breast, ọyàn or ọmú. Stomach, ikùn or inú. Navel or belly button like some call it, ìdodo. Waist, bàràdì. Buttock, ìdí. The Yorubas are conservative about the private part, and so they call it ojuara. But penis is called oko. Vagina, obo. La, itan. Knee, orúnkún. Leg, ẹsẹ̀. Ankle, kókósẹ̀. And around that is called ọrùn-ẹsẹ̀, just like this is called ọrùn-ọwọ́. The toes, ìka ẹsẹ̀. The sole of our foot is called àtẹ́lẹsẹ̀. Those are the body parts in Yoruba language. If you missed the last video, please go back to it to start from the very beginning. My name is Fadera. I'm a Yoruba woman, a great lover of the Yoruba language. If you love this video, please like, comment, and share. See you again next class when we talk about something else in Yoruba language. Ó dàbọ̀. Bye-bye.